Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If someone truly loves you, they won't tell you love stories. They will make a love story with you. True love is internal, infinite, and always like itself. It is equal and pure, without violent demonstrations. It is seen with white hair and it is always young in the heart. True love is not the number of kisses or how often you get them. True love is the feeling that still lingers long after the kiss is over. To love without condition, to talk without intention, to give without reason, to care without expectation, that is the spirit of true love. A true relationship is with someone who accepts your past, supports your present, and encourages your future. I believe that dreams come true because mine did when I met you. I will always love you. I want to see your smile and hear your laughter. I want to kiss away your hurts and hold you until you know without a doubt that this is for real. When you truly love someone, you don't judge them by their past. You leave it there, just the happy that their future belongs to you. Do not fall in love with the face and body, fall in love with the spirit, heart, and character. True love never dies, it only gets stronger with time. True love is not easy, but it must be fought for because once you find it, it can never be replaced. True love is growing as a couple, learning about each other and never giving up on each other. This is the meaning of true love, to give until it hurts. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watch my video.